What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Hang Seng Index futures with the ticker symbol HSI1. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So if you have not done already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. I'm going to put an image up to show my uploading schedule for YouTube. I look at almost 2 videos every day. I look at Baba twice a week, Tesla twice a week, NEO twice a week, PayPal twice a week, so a bunch of stocks that are popular. So if you see a stock that you like and I cover it, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Let's get the channel to 10,000 subscribers. I highly appreciate it. So here's the daily chart for the Hang Seng Index futures, and it looks like we continue to drop down lower. Last time I looked at the Hang Seng Index futures was right over here on Friday, and you can see that we did make a measure move down. So you can see this was one leg down right here. Price pull back, that's where the second leg can start from, and we practically hit it already. So this is still bearish because price is back below this 19,360 level because it was prior resistance here, price broke it, it bounced from it, so it was looking like it would act as support, and then price went up higher, couldn't go any higher, broke through it, we pulled back and found resistance. So this is looking bearish as of right now. But since the two legs are met, maybe we come back up to retest the 19,350 level. So we'll have to wait and see. But as of right now, this is still bearish because price is still dropping lower, and the measure move targets haven't been reached. So let's go over the structure. So we had this prior uptrend in play, and that time the market was bullish. Then we broke the uptrend structure. Now the market is bearish. So you can see the market changes states. Before it was bullish, now it's bearish. So price went up, but look how it went up. It couldn't even go back up to the highs. So now price dropped down lower. So it's confirming that the bears are stronger than the bulls because the bulls cannot continue to trend up higher. So it looks like the bears are winning, and we kept on going lower. We bounced from the 18,260 level a few times. So it was looking like the bulls were defending that level and not letting the bears reach the measure move target at the $17,000 level, because that's the target they're trying to reach, because we had one large leg down here. Second leg would take price right there. We had a double bottom, price went up higher, but once the target was met in the micro sense, so we had 2 legs up, price sold off lower. So since this high right here is still below this high right here, the measure move target is still trying to be obtained by the bears. So that's why there's a good chance we could probably see a breakdown of this 18,250 level. We'll see if it will act as support or not, but there's a chance that it can be broken, especially because we cannot go up any higher, and we're starting to find resistance from the 19,300 level. So we're back below the EMA also, and like I said before, the measure move targets are lower and they have not been obtained. So basically HSI and probably Chinese stocks that are in the Hang Seng Index will probably drop lower in the coming weeks. So it's looking bearish unless we get a bounce from this level right here. That would be a very bullish sign. Maybe we go up higher from there. But as right now, it looks like that target or that level will probably be hit, and then we'll have to reanalyze if it will break that level or not. So that's all I have for the HSI or the Hang Seng Index. Still bearish. Target was met last week, or this week in the last few days. Still looks bearish even though the target was met. I'm looking for the 18,300 level because that was tested multiple times, and then we could probably even break down lower to reach some measure move targets. Not all measure moves are met, so we could stop at the 18,300 level and continue to trend up higher. I don't know what's going to happen on the right side of the chart. I'm just saying where price is most likely headed based on the imbalances occurring on the chart currently. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart. Overall structure was a downtrend, but then price had a nice uptrend. But you can see the bulls were not able to go up higher, so this is still looking pretty bearish. And there's a good chance we probably continue to reach the measure move targets at the low $17,000 level, and maybe even the all-time lows of this downtrend at the 14,800 level. So it's still looking bearish. You can see that price is barely going higher. We had a nice impulse up, then all of a sudden we saw a sharp drop lower, and then a couple other sharp drops lower, and it looks like the bulls are not really able to go up higher as of right now. So it's still looking bearish for HSI on the daily and weekly charts, and I'll give you guys an update most likely next week, Sunday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes Click the link below to start training now.